guys, Brian from Paint Society. In this episode today, we're gonna clean up those Aurora lights and get them nice and shiny and ready for the booth once again. So let's get started. Now, whenever you're dealing with chemicals, you're always gonna wanna protect your hands with some gloves. Now we're ready to clean our unit right here. You can see it's got a lot of overspray on it. Now we don't want to take our lacquer thinner and just kind of run it all over. We actually want to run it and put it on our microfiber towel. This is going to allow us to control the amount of cleaning that we do and the amount of lacquer thinner that is going to be in contact. Now, if we want to get to hard to reach areas, we can put it on our brush, okay? And that will help loosen up any of debris that might be within the actual unit itself that can be hiding out in places that you just can't get to. I like microfiber because it really pulls off the dirt and contaminants, and it's not going to get all soggy and be useless like a prep rag or a paper towel would be. Now the finish here actually does hold up pretty well to lacquer thinner, so you are able to clean it up quite well and get off some of that overspray. We mainly want to focus on our lights right here, and you can tell they're 100% cleaner. Now when they're cleaner, that means you're going to have more light output going to your panel, okay? It's not going to be distorted, kind of like headlights on a car. And you can see with just a few quick wipes of some lacquer thinner and the brush, we're able to clean this light right up, and it's good to go. Now, once again, with our Techna light, these lenses do clean up very easily with just a quick wipe of that lacquer thinner. Paint thinner or mineral spirits will do the job. And last, our WS400. Just lightly, gently get all that debris active, and then we'll just wipe it with our microfiber. We'll go ahead and replace the battery, and we're good to go. All right, guys, so that's going to conclude this episode on how to clean your lights. Remember that these lights do have electronics in them, so want to make sure you guys are using your common sense in regards to that. Now that they're clean, get back in the booth and shine it up.